A new study is suggesting that sunlight may be linked to fewer COVID-19 deaths. British researchers looked at over 2,400 counties in the continental U.S. They compared the number of COVID deaths with the exposure to the sun's rays, specifically UVA rays. People living in areas with the highest level of exposure to UVA rays were less likely to die from the virus when compared to those living in areas with lower levels of exposure. The scientists say one explanation is that sunlight exposure causes the skin to release nitric oxide, which may reduce the virus's ability to replicate. The CDC is declaring racism to be a serious threat to public health. The agency says racism is affecting the mental and physical health of millions of people and consequently affecting the health of our nation. The CDC also says that minorities experience higher rates of illness and death across a wide range of health conditions. It cited the COVID pandemic and its disproportionate impact among minorities as another stark example of these enduring health disparities. More women than men plan to wear masks in the future. That's according to a new WebMD survey of over 2,000 adults. 73% of women said they will keep wearing masks while it's recommended by public health experts, compared to 63% of men. Women were also more likely than men to plan to wear masks after the pandemic, during flu season, when they're sick, or when in large crowds. Stick around. We'll have one more look at your Friday evening weather planner when we come back.